Alright, before I can put the chairs and the dinette and everything in, I have to paint and do a bit of finishing. Otherwise I can't get behind the chairs, or I can, but I don't want to risk getting paint on them. The next stage is to fill and putty and paint everything that I can inside the cabin so we can start finishing off. Some areas we're going to continue with the white theme, and in other areas we're going to have a timber finish to match the kitchen bench top. It takes a little bit of time to mask up, but it makes painting a lot quicker and a lot easier. There are some bits that I still have to cut in with, but for the timber areas, I'm just using a one pot acrylic. There's not a lot of wear and tear on walls and things like that, so this stuff should hold up pretty well. So this varnish is clear and it doesn't yellow, so it really doesn't matter if I get a little bit on other areas that are going to be painted white, because I can paint over it afterwards. Alright, I've undercoated the area down there and around the bathroom and so on. I'm going to use an acrylic enamel or an aqua enamel that Dulux produce. It's a semi-gloss. See how it goes. Okay, so that's how they Alright, so the painting the area behind the dinette and the seats is completed, and around the bed and the wall of the bathroom that also houses the switchboard.